Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today it's dark under my cabinet. My little 18 fluorescent light went out. I changed the bulb, but it didn't take care of the issue. We're gonna rock it into this century, so I'm gonna shed some light on this LED install. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Hey homeowners, check out the new Home Mender e-course. Homeowners Edition, just for you guys, where we learn to fix everything under the roof and the roof too. So first we're gonna get this old light pulled down. Now this one is one with a switch, so I cannot turn the power off, which means this is gonna be live all the time and we're gonna have to kill it at the breaker. Pull this little cover down. Okay, so this looks like the connections here. Move this ground out of the way. Go ahead and pull these guys here, pull the caps off of them. Now this is gonna be live, so just definitely don't touch anything you're not supposed to. Now that my light is disconnected, I know this is my power feed right here. All right, this here is a live wire. I don't have any other tester. I'm gonna test it like this. I'm gonna put these guys on the prongs here to see if it's live. You can see right there, it is live. And we are now dead circuit. Now I've got two screws here with a slide mount that I'm gonna loosen so I can remove this light fixture. I got this brand new little LED light with the switch on it. Now, because it's a live circuit all the time, I want to be able to turn the light off. So I'm going to need to buy one with a switch. If it was hard lined and attached to a switch on the wall, you could buy one without the switch. All right, how does this bad boy come off? All right, it's got two screws in the back here to pull the cover plate off. Let's go 1, 2. These are tiny, let's put them someplace safe. Now this comes off. And basically all fixtures are kind of the same. There's usually a back. If there's no back, it's gonna wire right inside here and fit up flush to the cabinet, but this one's got a back on it. Looks like we can put it on or leave it off. Now, I think because I have this coming directly out of the cabinet, I am gonna leave my back off and just have all my wires contained inside here. This is a ground wire and I still wanna use the ground wire, so I'm gonna clip it off of the back. Since I'm not going to use the back, and let me strip this so I can hook it up to my existing wiring here. All right, since we have all this room, we can go ahead and just wire it. Now the ground is going to be usually green or a copper wire. See here, we are going to wire our, where's our ground? Which one do we clip off the ground? This one right here. Let's go ahead and wire that to our ground. Now this is all braided wire, so let's get at least 3 turns on it. I want to do the turns, and then we'll throw a little wire nut on that bad boy and just turn that until it gets tight. Let's hook up our yellow to one of the legs here. Now when you're doing a little lamp like this, it typically does not matter, black or white. If you're hooking up a fixture, they are labeled clearly black and white to a house's wiring. And a wire nut on this guy. Give him the twists. All right, now this one's a pretty easy mount. It's got screws that go right through some mounting holes here, so we're just gonna screw it to the bottom of the cabinet. And I can contain my wire nuts and everything inside this little channel. All right, let's give it a test. Illuminating. Fun fact, old school plug like this, the prongs are the same size. It doesn't matter if you plug it in this way or if you plug it in this way. But the newer plugs, you can see on this receptacle here, one of the slots is smaller than the other. The small side is the hot side. So that's it. You just rocked that under cabinet lighting. Now, if your wires do need to go through the light fixture, don't forget to use this little connector here. My wires fit up inside the fixture and were completely hidden, so I did not need to go through the fixture with this guy. But if you do, make sure you get this clamp on it. It's just that easy. And if this project is on your list, don't worry, you can do it. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.